Best Pickleball Paddle. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddle? In this video we will look at 5 of the best pickleball paddle on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Onix Graphite Z5 pickleball paddle combines advanced materials with thoughtful design to enhance performance and comfort for players of all skill levels. Featuring a graphite face, this paddle offers a great balance between power and control, making it ideal for players seeking precision in their shots. The graphite surface provides a responsive feel and quick ball reaction, which is particularly beneficial during fast-paced rallies. The core of the paddle is made from Onix, a durable material known for its lightweight nature and excellent pop. The Onix core ensures that the paddle maintains its rigidity and responsiveness while still being light enough for extended play without fatigue. This combination of materials enhances ball control and offers consistent performance in both recreational and competitive settings. One of the standout features of the Onix Graphite Z5 is its cushion comfort grip, which is ergonomically designed for enhanced comfort and reduced vibration. The soft, textured grip allows for a secure hold and minimizes hand strain, making it ideal for players who engage in long sessions or tournaments. It is also designed to absorb moisture, keeping the grip tacky even during intense play, ensuring excellent control over every shot. The paddle's wide-body shape offers a larger sweet spot, making it easier to hit the ball cleanly and with more consistency. This feature is beneficial for players transitioning to more competitive play, as it provides a greater margin for error while still delivering powerful shots. Overall, the Onix Graphite Z5 pickleball paddle is a versatile, high-performance option that offers durability, comfort, and excellent playability. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced player, this paddle's blend of power, control, and comfort makes it an excellent choice for any pickleball enthusiast. Number 2. The Head Radical Elite pickleball paddle is designed to offer a blend of power, control, and comfort, making it a versatile choice for players at all skill levels. Featuring a composite fiberglass hitting surface, this paddle delivers a soft yet responsive feel, enabling players to control their shots with precision while still generating power when needed. The fiberglass face ensures a larger sweet spot, helping to reduce the impact of off-center hits and offering more forgiveness. The polymer core of the Radical Elite provides excellent vibration dampening, making it easier on the joints during extended play. This core material contributes to the paddle's lightweight feel, which allows for quicker reactions and maneuverability at the net, as well as less fatigue during long games. The combination of the polymer core and fiberglass surface results in a balanced paddle that excels in both power and control. One of the standout features of the Radical Elite is its comfort grip. The grip is cushioned and designed to minimize hand strain while offering a secure hold. Its ergonomic shape reduces vibration and enhances overall comfort, making it an excellent choice for players who enjoy long, intense matches. The grip also provides good moisture absorption, ensuring a stable, non-slip hold even during sweatier moments. The paddle's lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver for quick reaction shots, while its wide-body design increases the sweet spot size, giving players greater consistency and confidence on the court. The Head Radical Elite is a great option for those looking to advance their game with a paddle that combines forgiving playability with responsive feel, ensuring both comfort and performance for players at all levels. Number 3. The Selkirk Vanguard Power Air pickleball paddle is engineered to deliver exceptional power and control, making it a top choice for advanced players seeking an edge on the court. One of its key features is the carbon fiber surface, which provides a responsive, durable hitting area that enhances both power and ball control. The carbon fiber face ensures that the paddle delivers consistent performance, allowing for hard-hitting shots without sacrificing precision. A standout innovation in the Vanguard Power Air paddle is its 360 proto-molding technology, which offers a seamless construction that enhances the paddle's strength and durability. This molding process ensures an even distribution of power throughout the paddle, optimizing its performance on both offense and defense. The flex foam perimeter around the edge of the paddle adds an extra layer of control by providing increased stability and reducing the impact of vibrations, offering a more comfortable playing experience. The paddle's design is intended to maximize power while maintaining control. The unique combination of the carbon fiber face and the flex foam perimeter creates a paddle that can generate strong, aggressive shots with a high degree of accuracy. This design is ideal for players who want to dominate at the net with hard drives and aggressive serves, while still maintaining control during delicate, controlled exchanges. Weighing light to mid-range, the Selkirk Vanguard Power Air ensures quick maneuverability, which is crucial for fast-paced games. The Invikta black color option adds a sleek, modern aesthetic, making the paddle both high-performance and visually appealing. Overall, the Selkirk Vanguard Power Air is a premium paddle that provides advanced players with the tools needed for a powerful and controlled game. Number 4. The XSPAK Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle Tournament Edition is designed for serious players who demand high performance and advanced features. This paddle incorporates world champion surface technology, which enhances the ball's response by providing a superior grip and improved spin capabilities. The carbon fiber surface ensures a solid, responsive feel, giving players an edge in both power and control, whether executing fast drives or precise dinks. The USAPA-approved polypropylene honeycomb core contributes to the paddle's excellent vibration dampening and lightweight design, allowing for quick reaction times and minimizing arm fatigue during extended play. This core material strikes a perfect balance between durability and performance, ensuring a consistent and reliable response from each shot. One of the key features of the XSPAK Tournament Edition is its cushion comfort grip. This ergonomic grip offers a soft yet secure feel, designed to absorb moisture and reduce hand strain during intense matches. Its tacky surface helps prevent slipping, ensuring a stable hold even during the longest games. This comfort grip is particularly beneficial for players who experience hand fatigue or discomfort during long pickleball sessions. With its wide-body design, the paddle offers a larger sweet spot, making it easier to consistently make solid contact with the ball. The paddle's design caters to players who want to combine power with precision, making it ideal for both offensive and defensive strategies. Whether you're looking for aggressive shots or better control during net play, the XSPAK Carbon Fiber Paddle is a top choice for competitive players seeking the best in technology, comfort, and performance. Number 5. The Wilson Echo Energy Pickleball Paddle is designed to offer a perfect balance of power, control, and comfort, making it suitable for players of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced. This paddle features a fiberglass hitting surface that provides a responsive feel and enhanced ball control. The fiberglass face helps players generate power while maintaining accuracy, making it ideal for both offensive shots and precise dinks. The core of the paddle is made from polypropylene honeycomb, known for its durability and lightweight properties. This core material enhances the paddle's overall feel, offering excellent vibration dampening, which reduces the impact on the wrist and elbow, making it comfortable for extended play sessions. The polypropylene honeycomb structure also contributes to the paddle's solid construction, providing a great combination of power and control during fast exchanges and strategic shots. The Wilson Echo Energy Paddle also incorporates a cushion air grip, designed for enhanced comfort and reduced hand strain. The ergonomic grip is soft, allowing for a secure, non-slip hold even during intense play. Its moisture-wicking capabilities keep the grip dry, ensuring a comfortable and stable grip during long matches. Weighing in at a light to mid-range weight, the paddle offers quick maneuverability, making it suitable for both net play and baseline shots. Its wide-body shape increases the sweet spot, making it more forgiving on off-center hits. This feature helps players maintain consistency and confidence during the game, even when their shots aren't perfectly executed. Overall, the Wilson Echo Energy Pickleball Paddle delivers a well-rounded performance with excellent control, comfort, and durability, making it a great choice for players seeking versatility and reliability on the court.